user fee introduced by the city's civic body, BBMP.
We are right now at Freedom Park, where BJP leaders have come from all sorts of, from all the districts of Karnataka to protest here. You can see all top leaders. C.T. Ravi speaking right now. You have Sri Ramalu sitting there. You have R. Ashok sitting there. You have Janardhan Reddy. You have B.S.Y. Yediyurappa. Behind him is the president of the BJP, Mr. Vijendra. All of them have come here to protest against the price hike that the state of Karnataka. Prices of petrol, prices of milk, prices of diesel, prices have increased by 2 pounds, and that is why the BJP is protesting here, to highlight this issue that has been a problem for the general public. As you can see, everyone has a boat in their hand. One says Lutikara, Congress, Sarkara, Dikkara, Dikkara. So the protest is all about the rises, the price hike that we're seeing in Bengaluru. We've seen how the prices from petrol, from milk to diesel to electricity to BMTC to BMRCL, all these things have increased in the past days. Now you have solid waste management cess also that has been added, and then a proposal has been put for parking also. So these things will hamper the general budget of a household, and that is why the BJP is here to protest against the Congress. Yes, their alliance partner JDS is missing from the spot because, and that is something that has hurt the JDS. But for now, the BJP in large numbers are present here and are protesting at Freedom Park.
Also, BJP MLA Ashwath Narayan spoke to my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah and said that the Siddaramaiah regime is lying and looting the people of the state. Listening.
Joining me is Ashwath Narayan, sir, of the BJP. Sir, you all have gathered here. All your big leaders are here. Yediyurappa here, sir is here. What is the entire protest all about, sir?
It is against the price rise, misgovernance, zero development of Congress government in the state of Karnataka. All the prices, in all the verticals, in all the taxes, all utilities, the price has been increased. We want to condemn that. We want the Congress government to roll it back and thereby being more people-friendly, people-centric. So we want them to realize it is going against the interest of people of Karnataka. We are protesting day and night to impress upon, or to call upon this Congress government to roll back the prices.
Priyank Kharge has said that they are protesting against the Modi government because they are the ones who have not given the due money to the state from GST, this thing and everything. How do you respond to that?
I don't know what is speaking. Common man knows very well. Have they not increased the taxes? Have they not increased the stamp duty? Have they not increased the excise duty? Have they not increased the road tax? Have they not increased all the taxes? Let it be property tax, let it be electricity, everything they have increased. Now diesel, petrol and petrol they have increased twice. How can the inflation can remain low? You think the industries are going to sustain, or the manufacturing sector can sustain? No. It is going to destroy, they are going to create unemployment, they are going to destroy the economic system. Overall, forget, what for they need money? What for they are taking the money? Are they investing on development? No. They are busy only looting.
The BJP has also planned a Jana Akrosha Yatra, that is public outrage march, from 7th of April starting in Mysuru, which will be flagged off by Union Minister Prahlad Joshi.